Hi guys, we'll be solving the next question, like diameter of the binary tree. So we are given a root of binary tree and we need to find length of the diameter of tree. The diameter of the binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in the tree. This path may or may not pass through the root. Yeah, the length of the path between two nodes is represented by number of edges between them. So suppose consider this particular example. See here we have 4, 2 and then 1 and then 3. So this is one particular path and then there is one more path, this path, which is 4, 2 and then 5. So if you consider this path and then this path has more edges. So we need to return this path length, and then there is one more path, this path. So both are same. So we'll be returning any one of them. So we need to solve this. How can we solve this? Suppose let's say you are given n nodes, which is like kind of chain. This is four chains. What are the number of edges present between these nodes? It will be number of nodes minus 1. You can see this, right? 4 minus 1 will be 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll be doing the same thing. We'll be maintaining the number of nodes present in the left node and then the number of nodes which is present in the right node. And then we need to we'll maintain the global variable and then we'll add the maximum number of nodes length here and then maximum number of nodes length to the right. This will be on the top. The root node will be on the top. So we'll be using the maximum of this. But whenever we are returning the number of nodes from the root, we'll be considering the maximum value, either this right or either left side. Left side. Yeah. Let us solve that. So here we'll be maintaining global answer so that it will return, and we'll call the helper function so that it will does all of those things and then give whatever we want. So I'll be calling the helper function. So let's take int helper function. It will be tree node. If let's write like this, if root doesn't exist, then we are going to return 0. Here we are going to get left equal to, we'll get the number of nodes present in the left side, and then we are going to get number of nodes present in the right side. Number of no See here we are writing left equal to helper root left, right equal to helper root right. So we'll get left and right. So what will be the number of nodes when we consider the left and then right? It will be left plus right and then one more node. But as I had mentioned, like number of edges will be number of nodes minus 1. We should consider that. So answer will be maximum of answer and then left plus right plus 1, and then there will be one more minus 1 because number of nodes minus 1. So it will be left plus right. And what should we return here? See, what are we getting here? It's not, let's take this particular type. Suppose if you calculate this, we'll get two edges because this will be 1 and then this will be 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. But whenever we are returning here, we should not return left plus right plus 1. It should be maximum of either left or right, and then one more node will be root. So we should add one more and then it should be maximum of this. So we'll be returning return 1 plus helper of, as we have already called, we can use that. So maximum of left comma right. Yeah, this is it. I think we should write here as well. We should call helper function to do the job and then we'll return answer. Yeah, yeah. Whenever we are solving in terms of binary tree, think we'll call the helper function. It is to the left, and then we'll call the helper function for right, and then it does some job and then gives back the result to us. And then we should use left and right. However, we can use. Suppose we can multiply, we can divide, we can whatever operations we need to do, we can do. But we need to get the answer by maintaining global answer, and then we need to return the particular type whatever expected from the helper function. It can be number of nodes, it can be sum of all the elements, it can be multiplication of all the elements which are present, it can be difference between the number of nodes, like the number of nodes present in the left side and the number of nodes present in the right side, and the sum of all the elements from the left side and then sum of all the elements from the right side. It can be anything. We can use those things to our advantage and we need to find the answer and then we need to give back that answer to the helper function so that it will help uh, all the all the helper functions and then we'll finally get whatever required from the answer. Yeah, that's all for this video. Meet you in the next video. Yeah, if someone is like, suppose let's say someone is not benefited from this video, so don't share to those people, like they will be having some work, so they should do their work as well. So if the people are not liking this video, so don't share to them. The people who might be helpful, so you can share to them. If it is not useful, so don't share. Thanks for watching.